All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the Pick Your Part on South Main. It is sunny, it's hot, it feels like crap, but it's all right. All right, so we're gonna be looking for a 2005 Honda Element Black. It's on row 31 space 5. So we are gonna go that way. That's row 8 right there, and then you come down this way, and then we're gonna find this stupid thing. I like this junkyard, but I don't like the fact that they make you pay now $10. It used to be $2, it went to $5, now it's $10. So they're jipping you now. Space 50 what? 50 30 run, row 31. Row 31, 52. Hold on, 52. Aquí está 52. Wait, what is this? 54, 52. So row 52, I think it's down here. Let's go look. We're looking for a tan Element, row 52. This is row 52. Es como un dorado. Yeah, this is row 52. Space 12. Por aquí debe estar. Row 52. Oh, it's this. Look right here. Oh, here it is. This is it's a khaki color Element. Oh, dang. Oh, this one looks like it's had this one looked like something fell on top of it. Holy jeez, that's the first time I've seen that. Well, I can tell you right now that the wire that I'm looking for looks like it's already been. Oh, look, it's right here. All right, so that's the VTEC solenoid. This is the plug for the VTEC. And then they have this wire hanging right here. And that's the one that I need. So it looks like it's here. And then it goes into this wire harness right here. And it goes all the way in here. So on the 08 Element, it looks like those idiots, whoever cut it, they cut it somewhere down there. So they should have just cut it from up here somewhere. So this is what we're going to do. We need to find out where it's led to. It's all the way in here somewhere. But yeah, the wire's right there. This is the one that I need right here. And then the, oh, so that one's kind of normal here. All right, I see. Let me look into it and then we'll set it up, all right? But that's what I need right now. Well, since on this Element, you can really see what we're going for. This is the main wire. Right here on mine, they basically cut this wire. And somehow I don't know what they did, honestly, but they screwed it up. Now, my intentions would be best to like maybe get some wire, some needle nose, and just like push it out. I'd rather not cut this little strap. But the wire head, look, it looks like it's in good condition. It's dirty, but it's not bad. I can clean it. This is what's bad on my 08. And then the wire harness goes up right here. It hooks up to this right here, which is like this, I guess it's the oil pressure switch. That's what it looks like to me. But on mine, it looks like they also cut it or did something stupid to it. So I'm gonna have to probably take the oil pressure switch, run all the way up to the VTEC solenoid and all the way to the top. So let me do that real quick. All right, guys, so I got the wire that I needed. This is the wire that's been basically stripped and it had those little acorn nuts. This one right here is the, it's, if I'm not mistaken, it goes to the position sensor on the, basically next to the front main seal. This one right here. So somebody put some acorn nuts. Then you have the next one after that would be the temperature or your oil pressure. And then this one right here is your VVT, which is the one that's right here. So that's your VVT. And then you have your VTEC solenoid. Now the VTEC solenoid on mine, there was nothing wrong with it, which is these two. But it looked like they basically destroyed this wire, which is your oil pressure. They had destroyed this one, which was the VVT. But this is the one that they really messed up. So this is the one that, you know, could also be causing the problem. But if I'm going to be replacing all the sensors, then I might as well just fix the wire harness the correct way. Got all the plugs, everything I need, to the point where I can figure out which color is where, undo this whole wire harness, solder them, and then put them back together. I only need those. Really, I could probably do it here and just do it the right way instead of putting some home electrical acorn nuts. So the main mission was to get this thing here. I'm gonna look at this Element, see what else they have, and then we'll go in there. Now we're also looking for some old OBS parts. So my father-in-law is usually, they come in here and we look for stuff like that. Oh man, they've gutted some of this stuff out already. This thing had what is this, HID lights? That's what it looks like. Is that HID lights? That's what it looks like to me. Yeah, HID lights. I haven't seen those in a while. Factory speakers, nothing fancy. Regular shanky little mats, nothing fancy. The splash shield right here, I have an extra one. I'm gonna need some of that for my 08 too. Somebody destroyed. This is an all-wheel drive, so I'm pretty sure, yeah, somebody's gonna knock these all-wheel drive axles off. Yeah, look at that. So that's the VTEC solenoid. Look at that. Somebody already took it off. Intech manifold right here. Yep. My hands are all dirty now. It's awesome. So yeah, this one still has some decent parts. Somebody took the exhaust cap. Look at that. Yep. But this splash shield here, this is a good splash shield. Look, it's not that bad. Man, I'll probably take the splash shield. You know what? I need the splash shield. I think I'm gonna have to yank it out real quick since I'm already here. Let me do that. All right, so one of the splash shields is in excellent shape. Everything's here. It's dirty, it's ugly, but not a big deal. The other splash shield, on the other hand, has a full piece missing, and it's got a tear in the back. I think they did this whenever they were taking it off. So this would have been this side right here. This one is good. I'm gonna I'll take this one. This is the, this right here is the driver's side. So we're gonna go ahead and yank that one out. And then, yeah, guys, this one's still got some decent parts. So we'll have to go look for the other one now. But yeah, look at that. Whew. Oh, I threw away my little list. Holy moly. Look at that, it's right here. Okay, so our next element, sorry, is going to be, I have a bad habit of throwing receipts away, so. It's a 2005 black. It's gonna be in row 31, space 5. All right, so I'm gonna take one splash shield, the wire harness, and that was the tan element. Looks pretty decent. I mean, it's got okay parts. All right, let's go. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. There's something here. Oh, dang. These are the nice ones. Look at this. These are the nice ones. They're lifted up. You know why they're nice? I'm gonna tell you why. Because whenever you raise a window, it has the space to lift it. All right, guys, now we gotta go to 31. I guess that's the only thing good about the place is everything is numbered and labeled. But the bad thing is that they screw you for 10 bucks now. So we're looking for 31. ¿Qué año es la troca? 95, no? 95. Aquí va a estar entre medio de todo. Yup. So we're looking for row 31 now. 44, 19. A este güey se los quitaron. Look, they're gone. We're looking for visors for a 95 Chevy. There's one right there. Una blanca. So while we're searching for the other element, we also have to look for sun visors for a 95 Chevy OBS. Hey! Esto los tiene! They're perfect! Those are the visors we're looking for, I believe. Órale, estos están buenos. This one? Right here, look. It's clean. Sí es, ¿no? Están perrones. It's all good. Oh, dang, they're smooth. Órale. No.
¿Es de estrella?
Yeah, star bit. They have everything on them. A little cleaning and she'll be ready to rock and roll. Whoa. This is a RAV4 tire cover. It's broken. So this is a OBS 95. Oh, jeez. Look at this bench seat. Huh. This is actually not bad. Mira, tiene el cover este.
Ah, así lo tiene Juan también.
¿Sí? Este bench seat está bueno.
Está bueno el asiento.
Para mi troca. It's missing the little triangles that go here. It's supposed to have these little triangles here. They're gone. Easily take them. So we have splash shield. The little window visors were no good. They were brittle. So no point in grabbing those. Yup.
Oye, pero ¿aceptan tarjeta, Alex?
Yes. Don't worry. ¿Sí tiene herramientas para quitar este asiento?
Es una 14 o 15, man.
Sí.
Lo tengo, pero...
The seat is not bad para lo que estoy buscando yo.
Sí.
Yeah. A ver, préstamelo si puede. O aquí quitamos estos primero. Ey, estos están buenos, man. All right. Esta no lo necesitamos.
No?
Nah, I'll just need the caps. The 2 caps, 4 bolts. I got splash shield for a Honda Element. We got the seat. I needed the seat for my 50 Chevy.
¿Es que no lo vas a ocupar, Alex?
Nah.
No?
All right, guys. So the seat here is going to the the 1950 Chevy. I needed something other than the bucket seats. Hopefully we don't get screwed too hard with this. This is the other one. Looks like somebody did some custom lights. Got the roof rail, the racks right here, I mean the side rails. This one just came in, man. So, guys, this one has a lot of good stuff. All-wheel drive also. Good tires. Jeez. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It didn't have the little ducktail. Always look for that. Key. Smoke lights. Somebody painted these. It's got some good parts, guys. You need a element. This is it. I got what I needed. This one looks like it has a good splash shield. Oh, is that what I think it is? It is. Look at this. ¿Tenemos desarmador?
Sí.
Vamos a agarrar el Phillips.
Ahí están todos los fierros.
We need a Phillips real quick. Well, I was gonna take these off, but it's missing one already. I need the gas cap string. It's gone. They've already started gutting this one out. The other splash shield's here, but it also looks like it's damaged from the front down here. It's got these really cool headlights. Oh, it's got the roof rack. Holy moly, look at that. Dang. Too bad I don't have any Allens, or else I'd take those. But yeah. Man, tiene estas cosas también, look. Pero son de estrella. Ahorita ya.
¿Torx? Yeah, darnos otra vuelta, güey.
Ya no va a estar aquí. It's got 2 of them. Someone's gonna get these. Well, it's all right. I don't want to get too greedy. I needed them, but I also need the seat for my 50 Chevy. So I already know if I buy those, they're gonna stick me for those, and I won't be able to buy my seat because I'm gonna blow my budget. So no big deal. This is it's a very nice Element. That's all I can tell you, man. So it's good to go. It had a lot of good stuff. It still has a lot of good stuff. Just came in. So guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna go ahead and take this stuff out. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit the like notification bell. But this one has those crazy lights, man. Come get them. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. So yeah.